Hi and welcome to Selfmade. Today we make a laser light gate, very simple, very basic, and here we go. The bus transistor, SCR, reset switch, buzzer, resistor for the transistor and circuit board. And now you can just probably, it's easiest to just solder it on there exactly as shown. I will add a switch of some sort as a main switch, and yeah, let's get it done. Circuit test. This time the SCR is disconnected. It's just running down this line, and when you switch it on, the problem is you can just put the laser back on, and it's just kind of stupid. You walk through it and off. You want it to, when somebody, just to hold the noise up, and that's why you have to use the SCR. With the SCR connected, and only the reset resets it, just as planned. And yeah, now I'm deaf, and you probably too. And now we can make our housings. Now we cut out the parts for our housing. 8 of those, 1 of those, 4, and 1 for the base, and 4 walls. And glue them together. Go to your inventory and grab the Wonder Glue. And let's do it. Almost stable. And now the sides. There we have it. All plus and all minus LEDs wired together. Shrink tube. Yep. Looking good. And for the joint in the middle, I used up tripod for cameras, and we're just gonna one end in here, 8mm hole, and we will use this as the nut, and 5mm, 6mm hole in here, and then this on the inside should work just fine. And then we have a flexible head. Let's go for it. So, change of plans. The threads are so sharp you can just cut them right into the plastic. I used a 5mm drill. Don't drill too wide, too big of a hole, because when it just slips through, it's yeah, fail. Just cut it right in there, and it holds up. You can't even pull it off. And it looks way better with this nut down there. And now we can glue it on. Don't forget the hole for the laser LEDs, and then you can glue it on. So at the bottom, to hold it, I use one of those strong magnets, and to make sure that you can get you through the plastic, I'll just reinforce it with another tiny piece of plastic here. Drill it out, put a bigger hole in it, cone shape, and get the screw in. And there it is. And it's gone. Magnet. Nut on top, and we have our bottom. Now we have our bottom. And for the side, I thought it will be just pure horror to glue the walls in an angle. So what I did, tape. You tape them, and you can bend it put it on there, glue it in place, hold it for a second or two, and you're done. And here we go. And it's a little bit flexible. That way we can just put the other side on. And that's what we do next. Important note, before we spray paint, you have to cover up all the lasers and everything you don't want to cover with paint. And yeah, I am ready to paint. So let's paint. And here it is. One side open. Now we put in the battery and the main switch in this hole down here. But the top already looks cool, just like in the game. That's how we wanted it. Let's go for the rest. So the interior is done. Battery, negative to negative of the laser. The plus side of the battery goes into the switch, out of the switch into the laser, and now works fine. Now we glue the back plate on. The battery will probably last for a day or something, so I just glue it on, rip it off if I have to take out the battery. That's it. So the last plate on and it's done. Final and last question: does it stick? It does. That's damn cool already. And now the other part of the light gauge. And now it's in the box. The receiver, battery, buzzer inside. It's loud enough. I can't stand the noise anymore. I just glued the receiving phototransistor in place, just a drop of hot glue. I will never be able to hear that noise anymore. God. And now let's test it. To avoid questions, let's put this under frequently asked questions. Yeah, for laser rifle self-made, and no, there will not be a tutorial. And now, aim. God. Reset and that's it for today, guys. Hope you liked it. Share it, like it, make it go around the world, and I'll see you guys next time.